Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming what you already have: a valid Office 365 subscription and your Microsoft account credentials. Sign and add account. Microsoft. Com with your email and password and complete any two-factor prompts to prove it's you. Once signed in, make sure the subscription appears under Services and Subscriptions. This confirms licensing. If it's a work or school account, use your organization credentials. Start now so the activation process links the license to your account and device immediately. Once done signing in on the account page, click Install Office to download the installer for your platform. Choose 32-bit or 64-bit if prompted. Run the installer and open any Office app, such as Word, then sign in using the same Microsoft account to bind the license. Make sure you permit updates and admin prompts so activation completes. If you're activating on multiple machines, repeat these steps and use the same account. This maintains license allocation and auto-updates across devices. Finish by opening an Office app and going to File Account to verify product activated and correct account email. If activation fails, sign out of all Office apps, then clear Windows Credential Manager or Mac OS keychain entries for Microsoft and sign back in. This often resolves token conflicts. Make sure time, date, and DNS settings are correct, since they affect activation. If problems persist, gather your subscription name and tenant or order ID, then contact Microsoft support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.